Good morning, students. I am myself Anupam Sharma, and today I am describing to you the main part of the chapter third, Charlie Excel 2016. Before today, I told you about the introduction of the MS Excel and what are types of charts and the chart area, like chord area, y-axis, x-axis, and so many types of chart, pie chart, bar chart, line chart, and what is the using of the chart. And that time I provide you so many examples regarding corona disease of the charts. How can help the charts in the corona disease? That time I provide you so many examples of regarding government's policies, government's sectors. So, my dear students, today I will start creating a chart. How to create a chart in MS Excel? So, first one is that click on the insert tab. Click on the insert tab. First of all, we have to click on the insert tab. If you want to start a chart, create a chart. Select the range of the cell to display the chart. Select a range of cells to be displayed in the chart. Range of cells to be chart. That means how many cells used in the chart. And next is the click on the column chart in chart. Click on the column chart. Click on the column chart. Chart. A drop down menu appears. Here you see the drop down menu. And the drop down menu, choose the desired option and click on it. And the drop down menu, choose the desired option, click on it. The chart appear on the worksheet, and then chart appear on your worksheet. Choose the desired option and click. The chart appear on your worksheet, and after some more steps, the chart appear. But if you think this is study, write one step, two step, three step, and learn. But if I have already told you when you are in 6th standard, step is what is the process? So that time you were in 6th standard, that time I provided so many examples. Steps, process. Suppose that you want to click a picture and send that picture by the help of WhatsApp to your friends, your colleagues, your relatives. So there are so many steps. Suppose one step that take Open the camera, take the picture, save the picture in your gallery. If you want to edit, you can edit, and then go to the WhatsApp group and choose the WhatsApp number that particular person of your relative or colleagues or friend, and attach that photo with your WhatsApp number, and click on click to click to send for a photo, particular photo, and after few seconds that photo send your friends, colleague or friends, whatever you want. So such type of steps. So there is no tough. If you take practice, if you learn just like study, if you, so my dear, so this is a just like a practice work and a practical work. So don't think about you will learn all time, click on the certain, click on the certain, so that is the bad. You have to utilize, you have to practice. That will be too much easy. Because of not in Excel, so many apps you use in your mobile phone. If you all time learn this app, and you will confuse. So you will do work with your enjoy, and we will take enjoy, and it will be too much easy for you. And after that, on setting the chart rules and tab appear below the title bar. Contain two tabs: Design tab and Format tab. Next, the Formatting charts. Formatting charts. Now student think today sir provided computer study and last 6 months I told you science, okay, before that time I taught you math, so continuous with the time subject. Right now I am providing you computer. So that's on the formatting chart. Formatting charts. Formatting charts means changing the appearance of the chart. Changing the appearance, formatting. Like you can add title, change chart type, change text, font color, border style, etc. You can also change number on the value axis. Let us format a chart and top tip on your notebooks. Function key to quick F11 function key to quickly add a chart after selecting a range of cells in a sheet. F11 this is a shortcut keys. I have already told you you have to learn some shortcut keys which provide you shortcut method to achieve particular things. So next the changing chart type. Changing chart type. To change the chart type, follow the given step. Some steps, there are so many steps. Okay. Just go the step. Select the simple step. Select the chart and click on change chart type. Select the chart. First of all, you have to select chart. Select. You have to select the chart and click on chart and click on change chart type. Click on change chart type. Click on change chart type in tab group of design tab. In tab group of design tab. 10, 10. It design. The change chart tab dialog box open. Then what will open? Change design box. Change chart tab dialog box open. Open up. And this figure on the page number 27, figure 3.14 design tab. So, my one advice to all of you, you have to read your book and show your figures 3.12, 3.13, so many figures, so all figures necessary to you because of is the example for your animate I can flow in computer. So many students have a computer, but so many students don't have a computer. So by that time, this book helps you to show the picture of the computer, the same picture. So figure 3.14 design tab. And next option is there. After it, click on the all chart tab. The select type of the chart you want to design. Click on the all chart tab. Click on all chart. Okay. And then last the click on OK. Okay. So this is the step for the changing chart type. Next, changing chart style. Changing chart type. Changing chart style. To change chart tab, follow the given some step. Again step, first select the chart tab, click on the style group of design tab. Here say chart style group from design. Chart style, the chart style. A list of chart style appear. Here will appear a list of chart style. So many types of chart style. As you move the mouse pointer on a chart style, it appear on your screen. Select and click on the chart style. Apply change. If you want to type a chart, you can choose the chart. Next, the change data range of the chart. Change data range of the chart. Data range of the chart. Change. So figure 3.16 changing style of the chart. Next, changing data range of the chart. Changing data range of to change data range. Again, some steps because of how to reach their data step. How to reach their data range. So you have to follow some steps. Click right on the chart and then click on the select data from the sub menu. Select data source, dialog box open. And next step, change the data source of the chart and click on the OK. This is a figure 3.17. So my dear student, this steps has completed. Next, changing background color pattern. So, good work, changing background. Changing background. Changing background. Background. browse color. Under this heading, to change the plot area of a chart, again follow some steps. How to change the background color? So this figure the 3.1 is in your book. Click right on the plot area and select the forward plot area option. Click the plot area. Right click. Right click. Right click on plot area and select the format plot area option. Select the format plot area option. After you select the format, select the format plot area. The forward plot area task pane appear on the right side of the screen. Right side of the screen. Right side of the screen. It has the two icons: fill and line and effect under plot area option. Fill and line and effect. Fill and line and effect. Line and appear ready. So second option, second step there. Click on the fill and line icon to the fill color. Click on the fill and line on the fill color. Texture picture or apply border of the chart after completing the fill and line. And that is the click on the effect icon to the click on the effect icon to the apply the 3D effect glow and shade. 3D effect glow and shade. Okay, so simple steps. Again, formatting the data series. How to format the data series? Formatting the data series. Formatting the data series. And this is the figure 3.20 data series task pane. Click on the data series on the chart, and format data series task pane appears on the right side of the right side. Okay, and second option, second step, it shows the three icons under series option: fill and line, effect and series. Fill and line, effect and series. First, go to the format data series. In that, three options: fill and line, effect and series. And third step, click on the series option to make change in the plot data series. Because here the heading is the for data series. Click on the series. You may change the present color, transparency, etc. using fill and line and effect option. Next, formatting the axis. Formatting the axis. Formatting the axis. Next, and again some steps here. First to come, click on the X and Y axis. Click on the X and Y axis. Click on the X and Y axis. The forward axis task pane appear on the right side of the window. Forward axis task pane. axis tab B. So the right side of the picture. It has two tabs, axis option tab and text option tab. Two option, axis option tab. Axis. What is axis? Options. Axis options tab and text option tab. Text options tab. ये पूरा axis option tab है ना text option. Axis option tab. Option and description. I will say to the account the axis option tab. In the axis option tab, you will show the fill and line. First is fill and line, then effects, size and properties, and then last is the axis option. Fill and line. Here show the fill line, effects. The fill effects, size and properties. Size and properties. The size and properties, axis options. The four options in the axis option. So fill in line. First we will talk about the fill in line. This option is used to fill color, picture or text and line. This option is used for right. This option is used to fill color, pictures or texture, line and colors, etc. Effects. This option is used to apply 3D effect, shadow. This is told you in the changing background color patterns. So as a same thing apply in the formatting the axis. Here we will change the 3D effect shadow of the axis. Next, size and properties. This option allows us to set the alignment and the margin. Alignment, size. What is the length of the axis? Axis by axis. It's the size and the alignment, margin. Axis by axis. What is the size, margin for the page, A4 size steps of charts and the page area. And then the axis option. This is used to make change the round unit vertical axis. Okay, that's the text option. Text option, text fill and outline. Text fill and outline. First option the text fill and outline, next text text. Text effects. And next text box. Text box. So text and fill option, this option used to fill the text with the color, picture or texture and then apply text outline. Next, text effects. This option is used to apply effects on text like shadow effects, glow effects. So maybe shadow effect for text you have to use MS Word perhaps. Next, text effects. Last one, text box. This option allows to change the alignment and direction of the text of axis. Text alignment, measurement, and margin. And after the second option is there, click on the requirement option, change will the alignment HR. As you need, then you click on the options, change your for your axis. Okay, so all figures on your sometimes figures, so many figures. Next, moving a chart. Next, moving. Moving a chart. You can change the location of your chart. You can change the location of your chart. You can easily shift the chart from one sheet to another sheet. Then click on the move chart option. Click on move chart option in location view. Click on the move chart in location group of design tab. The move chart dialog box appears. The move chart dialog box. Move chart. Dialog box. What will? Click on the move chart option in the location group of design tab. The move chart dialog box appears as a figure 3.24 move chart dialog box. Select the desired option. You will select the desired option for the dialog box. Click object in option. Select the desired option. Any desired. Option. Like object in option, select the seat in the which you want to move the chart and click on OK button. The chart will get shifted the desired location. Desired chart is shifted. So, my dear student, this chapter has completed. So, I want to share some MCQs. You have to share your views and what you want in the video and which type of quality I will provide you. And there is the lectures in this video. Is there a problem? Some things say to use. So first MCQs. Open your books. MCQs. But before the steps of system in the classroom, that time I told you that time you read the chapter and self find out your questions, answers. But right now I am saying to you, I am providing answer. So MCQ first the which function key used to insert a child in worksheet. A F 8 key, B F11 keys, C F9 keys. So answer is the F11 key. And third is second is which part of the which chart tag displays the data in the form of grid line. A pie chart, B radar chart, C line chart. Here the radar chart. This chart radar chart. Third, unique color can identify the data space the plot. Axis, the data point, C legend. So his answer will legend. Fourth, the options that are plotted in the chart are called A label, B value, C data point. So answer is the data point. C. Fifth, option is used to fill the text with color, picture, texture, and also to apply text outline. A text box, B text effect, C text fill and outline. So answer will C text fill and outline. And did we fill up? Okay. fill up one chart. First in chart, second is the design tab and format tab. Full fill up that chart tools has tabs namely design tab and format tab. Third, a pie, pie, and fourth is bar, and fifth fill up the chart tab. And now we will discuss to you true and false. So first is false, second also false, third is true, fourth is true, and fifth is false. Title bar contains three tabs: design tab and format tab. Match the following. Match the following 5, 4, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So your chapter is finished. Chapter number second. Okay. My dear student, I will send you again video. Bye bye.